payment I get from the new USDT site, and I was paid yesterday instantly. Doesn't take 1 hour before I was paid to my wallet. Okay, I was paid 7.75 USDT directly to my wallet. I withdraw 8.225, but they have to withdraw their service charge, which is 0.50 cents, and I was paid to my account directly. You can also do this the same I did it. Okay, simple as that. In this video I'm going to show you the full details about the site. Let's get started, guys. If you're to this channel, can you subscribe to this channel, like this video and drop a nice comment. In this video, here is Global Gig TV. I talk about how to make money, talk about different type of opportunity you can also leverage on. Yeah, the name of the site is called Zoo Kingdom. Okay, to register this platform is very simple and very easy, and it's very simple. I'm going to drop the link in the description below so that you can also register your own account too. Yeah, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put your phone number and you check your country security code. Okay, let's see, my own country is Nigeria now. Here, just have to search Nigeria. You see, you click on it and put your phone number, you enter the password and you put your end of voting investigation code, because I'll be dropping the link in the description below so that you can also register your own account. After that, you click on this sign up button and register your account successfully. Okay, register your account successfully. Okay, register your account too. See it here. After you are done, you log into your account back. You log into your account back and put your password and your details. Yes, how the platform work, they offer cows, sheep and animal stuff in this platform. What you have to do is that you just have to come to this platform and order any of it and you'll be getting paid every day. Come to this mine now. If you are just registered, you'll be getting $2. You'll be getting $2, which you can use to invest for free. Okay, you can use the $2 to invest for free. It's going to be showing your data balance here now, which you can use it to withdraw. You can use to invest for free. Okay, you just have to come and see this construct here. You have to purchase any of you see, buy for $2. Okay, which you can buy, and you'll be earning the profit every day for 365 days in this platform. You have to buy it here. Okay, you put the amount here which you have in your data balance. If you have in your balance, like my balance now, I have 0.000. Okay, but if you are new members, you get registered, you're getting $2 as a bonus. Okay, which you can also use to invest in this platform. Or that, just click on this confirm and it automatically start counting for you. Okay, it automatically start counting for you. What has been done, simple as that. To deposit in this platform is very simple and it's very easy. Just follow the simple instruction and simple steps I'll be taking you through. See, share bonus on the social media bonus condition. Share the save image with you. I'm going to teach you how to do that too. To recharge is very simple. Just click on this recharge button here. Click on the USDT, confirm. You put the amount you want to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit at least like 50 USDT. Click on this confirm. Click on this confirm. You see the minimum recharge limit is $5 to 100,000 USDT. Okay, and it's only for TRC20. Don't recharge. You see, information has been stated below, which you will also need to follow before you recharge. Okay, after that, just click on this confirm payment. If you have made the payment, it's going to confirm if you have made the payment. Yes. Our next thing to do here is, after you have deposited, they have different types of packages which they render. that type of packages. Okay, I go for the VIP one. The VIP one, the minimum amount to start is a 15 USDT. Okay, the second one you have to start with is 65 USDT. You should be earning 6.5 daily. Okay, you earn $6.5 daily. Okay, the third one, which is the one we start with, the 265 USDT, you'll be earning 260.5. you'll be earning 26% every day, and every of your percentage every day, it should be 10% every day. That means it's a huge advantage for you to make money in this platform. See, the daily percentage is 10%. You can order as much as possible if you want to earn very fast in this platform. You just have to deposit, but it's not compulsory for you to deposit. If you don't want to deposit, it's not compulsory. Okay, it's totally free. This platform is totally free if you don't want to deposit, but I assure you to deposit if you want to earn more in this platform. And the seventh package, okay, the seventh package is not yet out. Let's check the okay, this one you have to start with. They have like 3 packages. Okay, this is VIP 2, this is VIP 7, 8, 9. Each have their own amount you can start with. Okay, you have 1000 USDT. You can also start any one of these. You have 7000 USDT. You can also start any one of these. As simple as that. After you have ordered it, you just have to come here. You see here now. Come here, you claim it if time comes. Okay, I'm going to see it here. You'll be claiming it every day. Okay, we claim it every day. Also chat the customer service of this platform to ask some question which you don't know. Just click on this and chat the customer care. Go refer your friends and your loved ones to this platform. Just come here, you see this home. Go back to the home. Click on this share. Click on this share button. You copy the referral link. Copy your referral link and share it to your friends. And remember, if you refer your friend, be getting 10% of your friends deposit. Okay, you're getting 10% of your friend deposit if any of your friend deposits, and it's totally free to invest. Okay, next thing is how to withdraw. It's very simple. Just click on this confirm, put the amount you want to withdraw, and make sure you have set your withdrawal address. So I just have to put the amount you want to withdraw and automatically send to you between 1 hour. Okay, this will confirm between 1 hour. Simple as that. And make sure you watch video to the, if you don't understand any part of this video, you can chat me on Telegram to answer you for more about this platform. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.